Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today's bonus video giveaway is for some American Apparel polishes. Now I had quite a big collection, so what I've done is I've split it in half. So there are going to be 7 in each of the giveaways, and then I threw in another polish to make it 8 polishes, ones that I just have like a single of. So today we've got the American Apparel and one LA color. And these polishes have been swatched on my channel. They've been swatch dotted on the tips, and some of them may have been worn. I don't think any of these have been worn. I wore one American Apparel, and I think it's going to be in the other giveaway. So the deal is if you want to get in on this giveaway, this D-Stash giveaway, you need to live in the United States. You need to be 18 or older, and you need to be a subscriber. And most importantly, you need to leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're interested in this giveaway. So let's go through the colors real quick. This is 420 from LA Colors, Color Craze. It's beautiful teal. We've got this red, and it's downtown LA. Then we've got Mount Royale. Next up is Rose Bowl. Then we have Manila and Dynasty and Hunter, which is so appropriately named, and the last one is called Mouse. What a cute name. But I will tell you that on these LA Colors, when I bought them, they were all taped together, so there might be a little residual tape stickiness on the sides of them. Like I said, I'm trying to just clean out my collection, and I don't want to have to put any more work into this than I have to. So if you're interested in this collection of polishes that I'm giving away, just leave me a comment down below and let me know, and I will pick a winner and I will get in touch with you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.